Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about the selection tools in Adobe Illustrator. Firstly, we have to know what a selection tool is. And the easiest definition is that the tool that is used for selecting, moving, and rotating an element is called a selection tool. The selection tool is very similar to our mouse cursor, which we use to open a file or program. Now these two tools are the selection tool. One is a normal selection tool, and the other is a direct selection tool. Let's see the normal selection tool, and a shortcut to this tool is V. I have already taken some basic shapes. Select the tool, then bring the cursor to any of the shapes, suppose the rectangle, and click on it. And the shape is already selected. Now, by pressing a left button of the mouse, you can move it from here to there. If you want to select more than one element at a time, then you have to click the left button of the mouse and then drag the selection tool onto the objects. See, the objects are now selected. There is another way to select more objects at a time. For that, you have to select an element, then press the Shift button and other objects together. I hope you guys understood. Let's move on to the direct selection tool. And the shortcut key is select the direct selection tool. The direct selection tool is also used for selecting objects, but it has a little difference. Suppose you are selecting the star shape. See, there are so many anchor points. Anchor points are the ends of the paths of shape, and we can change them or handle them by dragging. If I click on this anchor point, I can change the shape as per my choice. Click it and then drag it. And if you drag the round anchor point, then it will round the edges. But if you click and then drag on the round anchor, then it will round the only specific corner. Then, under the direct selection tool, there are also another two categories. One is a group selection tool, and the other is a lasso tool. But these tools are not that important. But sometimes it helps, so we will not ignore them. Okay, I am selecting all the shapes in groups. They are under a group, and now we cannot select individuals by the selection tool or direct selection tool. To select them individually, we need to use the group selection tool. And with the lasso tool, you can draw a line over the elements and see that they are now selected. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video.